Digitalor real-time computing asset tracking and inventory solution. Through innovative MC-RFID technology, achieves an asset positioning accuracy rate of 99.9999%. Reliability greater than or equal to 100,000 hours. Completely solves the problems encountered in computing power asset operations. Hard to inventory, hard to locate, hard to track, difficulty in safety compliance and other related issues. Through the collaboration of U-level modules and U-level asset tags, enabling U-level spatial digitization of data centers, rooms, and racks, as well as real-time tracking and precise positioning of computing assets. Log into the platform. Create infrastructure model. Create a data center. Enter the data center name. Create an equipment room. Enter the room name. Select the data center. Configure the room layout. Create a cabinet. Enter the rack name. Select the room. Select the rack's row/column. Add new IT asset information. Enter the asset's serial number. Enter the asset U height. Select the asset type. Select the data center to which it belongs. Add new U-level asset tag. Enter the U-level asset tag. This completes the basic data modeling. Subsequently, in tag management, bind computing power assets to U-level asset tags. Bind the U-level asset tag ID to the asset serial number. Enter the serial number of the asset to be bound. During binding, ensure the digital information is consistent with. Complete the binding of all U-level assets to U-level asset tags. When racking assets, simply attach the U-level asset tag to onto the corresponding U-level module on the rack. The system can automatically complete racking records and the mapping of physical scenarios. Digital mapping and real-time visualization display. During asset de-racking operations, remove the U-level asset tag from the U-level module. System data is updated in real time, and de-racking records are automatically completed. During asset migration operations, confirm the target assets to be moved out, and the cabinet U-level position of the asset after migration. Move the physical asset from the location to be moved out to the current target U-level position for migration and complete racking. Complete asset migration and record migration information in real time. Asset racking, de-racking and migration operations. The platform will synchronize and update the status in real time within 3 seconds. Ultimately, realize real-time positioning of U-level computing power assets, as well as real-time inventory and full lifecycle visualization management.